Hi, this is Francis from Easel. Today we're going to be talking through how to save cut settings in Easel. Basically, this is a feature that allows us to save cut settings for a specific bit and material pairing. This means that if you use a certain bit and a certain piece of material very often, you can save cut settings that you've found to be the most beneficial. And anytime you select that bit and that material pairing, Easel will automatically default to those cut settings. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to change my material settings to, we'll say Bubinga. I'll change it to a 1/4 inch bit, and then I'm just going to change one of my cut settings to, we'll say 72 inches a minute by 34 inches a minute. Okay, and then there's my project. I've got my custom cut settings entered via the manual setting in Easel. So I'm just going to go ahead and go through the carve setup really quickly. Go through everything. We use a new position, raise bit, turn the spindle is on, and carve. So now my carve has started. When the carve is over and done, and I'm going to simulate that here by just clicking this X here, Easel's going to ask how the carve went. It'll say carve complete. How did the carve turn out? I'm just going to say great. And then it'll give me the options to save the cut settings. It'll save it for my machine. So if you have multiple machines, you'll need to save it per machine. The material, and then the current cut settings. If I click save, now I'll exit out, and then I'm going to switch my material to something else. We'll just do this one here really quick, very small. Cut settings are not the same, and then we'll go back to Bubinga. And you can see that now I see this icon here and it says loaded saved cut settings. That means that the cut settings that I saved for this material and bit pairing are now the cut settings that will load. Have a wonderful day.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.